had enough. I just got through with a phone conversation with an OEM and they hung up on me. All I was doing is asking for a tiny little part, what its correct name was in terminology. And as soon as he found out that I was an ISO, Independent Service Organization, they hung up on me. What is up with the need to keep every little piece of information secret? I don't get it. And that's why I'm here to tell you guys that going forward, I'm putting the full weight of Fobi Medical and the Better Biomed YouTube channel behind the Texas Right to Repair movement. I'm starting a movement from scratch if I have to, because it's got to go forward. There are other grassroots type of movements in other states like North Carolina, but we're going to start one here in Texas. Texas is a bed of agriculture and medical, and we are the hub of both of them for the United States of America. So what a better place to start a right to repair movement than the state of Texas. So going forward, stay tuned, because I'm going to be banding together with other companies and other entities that are known well in the right to repair movement. And together we are going to petition for legislation in the state of Texas. So stay tuned and I'll have plenty of updates for you.